Ring steward, Keith Wall. Scoreboard steward, Gwyneth Williams. Scribe, Joyce Yates. Team manager, liaison steward, collecting ring, Wendy Cook. General steward, Val Lieber. General steward, Pat Millell. General steward, Val Smith. General steward, Barbara McGarry. General steward, Chris Wall. Ring manager, Tom Linnell. And overall reserve steward, Mick Tozer. Thank you all very much. We're now going to bring in the teams that competed here today. First in, Wales. And they come now, the team from Canada, led out by Daisy Holtzman. Now we have the team from Holland, led in by Peter Bender. Now we have Northern Ireland, being led in by Michael McCartney. And the team from Scotland, led by Carol Patrick. And finally, the team from Germany, led in by Dominik Wojciech. Our presenter today is Sue Garner. Sue is Chair of the Obedience Council, Vice Chair of the Activity Subcommittee and the Coordinator of this competition. I think we should have a round of applause for our presenter, Sue Garner. Our first presentation is to today's judge, Maurice Yates. In first place in the individual competition today, Mary Ray and Levi. And in second place, Annalise with Laddie. in third place, Melissa and Emma from Belgium. And in fourth place, Tracy McKinley with the Horror My Storm from Northern Ireland.
Attention please. The judging of the Marine Sheepdogs in 4-1 Grade 5 will commence immediately. The judging of the Marine Sheepdogs in 4-1 Grade 5 will commence immediately. Thank you.
And now, the announcement of the team result. The winning team is the team from Holland.
It was amazing that we have won because we didn't expect it. Of course, we really trained for it, we worked hard for it, and we had good vibes, but it was really, really unexpected.
We were having fun at dinner last night, and I was joking that I feel so good and I have winning vibes, and everybody was laughing about it, but it came true. So,
everybody worked really well, and all dogs were very, very good and very tired.
yeah, she's taking a nap.
And to me as an individual as well, because I was a second individual with that one. He's the reserve, but because we had a runoff, he had to work as well. So I had two dogs in the ring today, and that was beautiful. I'm second individual and first with a team. So what can you more have?
This is my second Crufts, and she worked in the Crufts last year as well. So she knew all the exercise already. She only had a severe injury 7 months ago. So she had 3 surgeries and rehabilitated for 5 months. So she's only working again for 2 months. So I've only been training her for 2 months. So this is really special for me to get her into shape this quickly. And this is her last Crufts as well, and her last working season. So to be winning the Crufts in her last working season is, whoa, unforgettable.
This is my last Crufts, well, his last Crufts, because he in a month he's 11 years old, and then you have to think about stopping. This is his 6th time at Crufts, He once was third, fifth, seventh, and once first, but then he failed a little bit. So now we are second and winner. So I'm very happy, very, very.
My dog, it's his first time at Crufts. He's only 3 years old. So we were very, very pleased that we were allowed to compete today. And he's a bit unexperienced compared to those. Look, he's very frantic and very excited about the applause and the screaming and the excitement. So he needs to learn from them. Well, the atmosphere it gives you loads and loads of energy, and so it gives loads of energy to the dog as well, especially my dog, because they are very used to it already. But my dog is up here with, you know, when the applause starts and people are starting to whistle, and I really need to contain him. But it gives me energy and him as well, so he works harder as well, and that also counts for those dogs.
Yeah. Some dogs are he's getting up high up when there is lots of noise because he can't handle it very good. He can't handle it very good, but he gets low. So that's the way they behave, that's character. Just like us. How do you behave in a way? So
yeah, it's amazing to be here on the green carpet.
Green carpet, yeah.
It just gives
For me,
rush.
the atmosphere is amazing. I love it here. I love all dog sports. For her, it doesn't matter. She's seen the world. She's traveled with me through Europe. She works in the UK for the last 4 years, several times a year. So she's seen it all already. She hasn't done or seen anything that she hasn't seen before. So she's really a very experienced working dog. So I can take her anything and be completely sure that she'll do the same over and over again.
And obedience is a bit of a virus.
It's a virus.
It's a virus.
Yeah. If you start, you're obedience sick for the rest of your life.
To me, it's 30 years now.
30.
Obedience is very much about details in training and during competition. So to get those details perfect, you really need to train them very detailed and very perfectly. So you need to be very aware of their behavior and how you reward, and so you get a really, really strong bond with your dog. And only the dogs that are here at Crufts, you know, that are on such a high level, they are perfect teams. So that's what you want to get from it.
Yeah, we're all very tired.
I also need to celebrate.
But we're gonna go to celebrate.
I don't know what they will do, but I'm opening a bottle of champagne, alone or together.
All the Dutch people come together tonight to celebrate with us.
A Dutch party.
And to hug
That sounds
and
a bit
to
gross.
enjoy. Maybe I'm gonna drink. Maybe.
You can trust me on that.
You can cut that out. Sorry.
Today it went absolutely how it was planned. We've been practicing for weeks to get it perfect, and it all went absolutely perfect. All my team knew what they were doing, and if you've got a good team, it makes your job a lot much easier. And as I say, it went really smooth, and they all looked perfect, nice, all well presented. So I was really chuffed.